How to sign up or create a new account for League of Legends. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can create or sign up for League of Legends. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. What you can do is you can simply head into your browser, and on your browser you want to head into riotgames.com. So here you want to head over to riotgames.com and sign up or log in using your Riot Games. So I'll just sign in real quick. So once you're signed in, what you can do is you can either scroll down and you can look into the games option, and there you can see League of Legends, or at the top left you can see Riot Games. You want to tap on it, select games, and then select League of Legends. Once you select it, you'll get the option that says play for free. You want to tap on it here and you want to go through the process. Now you can either download for Windows or you can download the Mac installer, whether if you are on Mac. Now once that, you can go ahead and select the particular link that you wish and download it and install it, and there it'll ask you to sign up or log in, and you can easily register it. So this is the way that you can sign up for League of Legends. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.